dance is called Sun Beach. It's a 64 count, full wall, intermediate level line dance. Starting on the left foot, 2 samba steps. So cross side rock, cross side rock. You will be travelling slightly forward on those 2 samba steps. Rock forward on the left, recover your weight on the right, shuffle half a turn, quarter close, quarter, half a turn left. I'm going to add the next section on because it's the mirror image effectively of what we've just done, but with the right foot starting. So a right samba, cross side rock, left, cross side rock, rock forward on the right, recover, shuffle half a turn right. So just do those 2 sections once more. Half on the left, samba step. 7, 8, samba step, forward rock, half shuffle, samba step, forward rock, half shuffle. Cross left over right, make a quarter turn left as you step back on that right. Shuffle back on the left, coaster step on the right foot leading, walk forward, left, right. So that section once more then. Cross turn off on the left. 7, 8, cross turn, back shuffle, coaster step, walk, walk. Zap back to the top. Samba's off on the left. 7, 8, samba, forward rock, half shuffle, samba, forward rock, half shuffle, cross, turn, back shuffle, coaster step, walk, walk. Shuffle forward on the left, step forward on the right, pivot yourself 3/4 of a turn over your left shoulder to face the front wall. Rock to the side on the right, recover, rock back on the right, recover. So that set of steps once more then, shuffling forward on the left. 7, 8, left shuffle, step, pivot, side rock, back rock. Now obviously that is a 3/4 pivot. If you want to try and take that out, quite simply shuffle forward on the left, step forward on that right, and basically just pivot yourself a quarter turn to the right instead, then go straight in to your side rock, back rock. So let's add that to the top. That's our halfway point. Samba step, half on the left. 7, 8, samba, forward rock, half shuffle, samba, forward rock, half shuffle, cross, turn, back shuffle, coaster step, walk, walk, left shuffle, step, pivot, side rock, back rock. From our halfway point then, step right to the side, cross the left behind. Now we're going into a bit of a modified heel jack here. So we're going to step the right to the side and slightly back as the heel touches forward, clap twice, bring the left back beside the right, cross the right over the left, step the left to the side, rock back on that right and recover. So that little set of steps once more then. Side behind into that heel jack, off on the right. 7, 8, side, behind and heel, clap, clap and cross, side, back, rock. Turn a quarter left and touch the right to the side. Repeat, quarter left, touching the right to the side. So it's not actually a paddle turn. You're doing the touch and the turn at the same time. Cross shuffle, right over left, step left to the side, bring the feet together, shuffle forward on the left. So that set of steps once more then. Those 2 quarter turns into that cross shuffle. Right foot leading. 7, 8, turn, turn, cross shuffle, side, close, left shuffle. Let's add that to our halfway point. Side behind into those heel jacks, right foot leading. 7, 8, side behind and heel clap, clap, cross, side, back, rock. Turn, turn, cross shuffle, side, close, left shuffle. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left. Shuffle 3/4 of a turn over your right shoulder, 3/4 turn to face 3 o'clock. Into a side mambo, side rock together, another side mambo but ending with a touch, side rock with a touch. So that is that 3/4 shuffle. If you don't want to do that 3/4, just shuffle 1/4 turn to the left rather than 3/4 round to the right. Otherwise that section once more then, rocking forward on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, 3/4 shuffle, side mambo, touch. So let's add that to our halfway point. Side behind and heel jack, off on the right. 7, 8, side behind and heel clap, clap and cross, side, back, rock. Turn, turn, cross shuffle, side, close, left shuffle. Forward rock, 3/4 turn, mambo, touch. To end the dance, walk forward, right, left. Mambo step forward, forward rock, close. Back rock step, left foot leading, back, rock, back, and a toe half turn. To touch that right toe back, turn half turn to the right. End of dance. Let's do that section once more, walking forward off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, mambo step, back, rock, back, toe, turn. Let's add that to our halfway point. Side behind heel jack, off on the right. 7, 8, side behind and heel clap, clap and cross, side, back, rock. Turn, turn, cross shuffle, side, close, left shuffle. Forward rock, turn shuffle, mambo step, mambo touch. Walk, walk, mambo step, back, rock, back, turn, turn. So that's our 2 halves. Let's put them together. Samba off on the left. 7, 8, samba, samba, forward rock, half shuffle, samba, samba, forward rock, half shuffle, cross turn, back shuffle, coaster step, walk, walk, left shuffle, step, pivot 3/4, side rock, back rock, side behind and heel clap, clap and cross, side, back rock, turn, turn, cross shuffle, side, close, left shuffle, forward rock, turn shuffle, mambo, mambo touch, walk, walk, mambo step, back rock, back, turn, turn. So that is the dance. I'll go through it now with the counts. Samba off on the left. 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. So that is your dance. But it is a full wall dance. So let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Samba off on the left. 7, 8. Samba, samba. Forward rock, half shuffle. Samba, samba. Forward rock, half shuffle. Cross, turn, back shuffle. Coaster step, walk, walk. Left shuffle, step, pivot, side rock, back rock. Side behind that heel, clap, and cross, side, back rock. Turn, turn, cross shuffle, side, close, left shuffle. Forward rock, turn shuffle, mambo step, mambo touch. Walk, walk, mambo step, back rock, back, turn, turn. Samba, samba. Forward rock, half shuffle. Samba, samba. Forward rock, half shuffle. Cross, turn, back shuffle. Coaster step, walk, walk. Left shuffle, step, pivot. Side rock, back rock. Side behind and heel, clap, clap, and cross. Side, back rock. Turn, turn. Cross shuffle, side, close. Left shuffle. Forward rock. 3/4 turn, side mambo, mambo touch. Walk, walk, mambo step, back rock, back, turn, turn. Samba step, forward rock, half shuffle. Samba step, forward rock, half shuffle. Cross, turn, back shuffle, coaster step, walk, walk. Left shuffle, step, pivot, side rock, back rock. Side behind and heel, clap, clap, and cross, side, back, rock. Turn, turn, cross shuffle, side, close, left shuffle. Forward rock, turn shuffle, mambo, mambo touch. Walk, walk, mambo step, back rock, back, turn, turn. So that is your dance and your walk through. Let's give it a go to the music. 5, 6, 7, 8. Samba, samba. Forward rock, half shuffle. Samba, samba. Forward rock, half shuffle. Cross, turn, back shuffle. Coaster step, walk, walk. Left shuffle, step, pivot, side rock, back rock. Side behind and heel, cross, side, back rock. Turn, turn, cross shuffle. Side, close, left shuffle. Forward rock, turn shuffle. Mambo, mambo, walk, walk. Mambo step, back rock, back, toe, toe. Samba, samba. Forward rock, half shuffle. Samba, samba. Forward rock, half shuffle. Cross, turn, back shuffle, coaster step, walk, walk. Left shuffle, step, pivot, side rock, back rock. Side behind and heel, and cross, side, back rock. Turn, turn, cross shuffle, side, close, left shuffle. Forward rock, turn shuffle.
Trying to find a spot, just
walk,
big
walk,
enough I
step,
can park
back
my
rock,
old
back,
truck.
turn, turn.
Man
Samba,
with a big
samba.
cigar, getting into his car. I stopped and I waited for him to back up. From my nowhere, mercy speaks. Came from the north, and whipped right in some beach.
Cross side, back
Somewhere.
turn, turn, cross shuffle, side, close, left
There's
shuffle,
nowhere to
walk,
go,
turn
ain't
shuffle,
got all day. Get there.
mambo step, back on back, turn, turn,
Oh,
samba,
margaritas and hot
forward rock, half
scenery,
shuffle,
smiling with long
samba,
dark hair.
forward rock, half
On
shuffle,
some
cross, turn, back shuffle, coaster step, walk,
Somewhere.
walk, left shuffle, step, pivot, side rock, back.
I sat in that waiting room, seemed like all afternoon. The nurse finally said, "Doctor's ready for you.
Left shuffle.
You're not gonna feel a thing. We'll give you some Novocaine. That tooth will be fine in a minute or two." He stuck that needle down deep in my gum, and he started drilling before I was done. Some bitch somewhere, there's a beautiful sunset burning up the atmosphere. There's music and dancing and lovers romancing the salty evening air on some beach somewhere, on some beach somewhere.
Hope you managed that one.